Most consumer brands manage and manually integrate up to 9 siloed vendors for running their retail e-commerce business to market and sell through online retailers like Amazon, Walmart, and others. Siloed tools and technologies lead to siloed teams, higher costs, and missed opportunities. Reports that don't line up. Missed sales opportunities when a competitor goes out of stock. Wrong content and pricing on retailer sites. One-off ticketing systems and emails. So many spreadsheets. Now there's a better way to consolidate and save, just in time to help with your budget and margin pressures. Now with the CommerceIQ all-in-one retail e-commerce management platform, you can consolidate multiple vendors across digital shelf analytics, market share, retail media, sales management, shortages and chargebacks resolution, and more. CommerceIQ can replace up to 9 e-commerce vendors with one platform to connect across more than 450 retailers globally in a single source of truth. Automate thousands of actions in real time with AI. Save 20% on your tech stack, total cost of ownership, and grow sales plus profit by 20%. Realize your vision to cut costs by 20% and lift growth plus profitability by 20% with the CommerceIQ Consolidate and Save 2020 plan. CommerceIQ, your all-in-one platform to unlock profitable retail e-commerce growth.